This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Gartrell. Storybook Lakefront Ranch located in highly sought-after Sherwood Lakes. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home offers an open floor plan with tall ceilings, gas fireplace, formal dining room, eat-in kitchen with granite tops, stainless appliances, gas cooking, and pantry. First floor primary ensuite with private porch to enjoy views of the water, bathroom with dual vanities, oversized shower, separate lavatory and walk-in closet. Spacious rooms throughout with ample closet space. Finished room over the garage provides huge 4th-bedroom ensuite or entertainment room and walk-in attic with space for storage. Located on a large half-acre lot with long driveway, 2-car garage, and plenty of room in the fenced backyard for sports, pool, pets, and outdoor entertaining. The neighborhood offers miles of jogging paths, community events, 2 lakes for fishing, kayaking or paddleboarding, playgrounds, and more. Near Na's Oceana and Dam Neck with incredible shopping, restaurants, and beach nearby. For more information, review the details below.